Nestled in Juab County sits the Little Sahara Recreation Area, a breathtaking 60,000 acres of sagebrush flats, juniper-covered hills, and free-moving sand dunes. This recreation area has quickly become a Utah favorite with its incredible campgrounds and play areas.
Little Sahara. This place here is amazing. This is a little home away from home. Right when you roll in, drop jacks, slides out, camp set, not even 15-20 minutes, and you're enjoying your day.
Well, you know, one of the best things about being out here is just purely the sunshine, right? I mean, you know, sunshine at night, you're looking up at the stars, you know, lots of open area to ride, hang out with your friends, enjoy camp, and it's fun to be out here.
This area provides an experience unlike any other for OHV fun and camping. Visitors frequent this recreation area for the challenges of climbing the 700-foot tall Sand Mountain, the network of dirt trails around Black Mountain, low-lying dunes for beginners, and the white sand dune bowls.
Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the mountains. It's also one of my favorite things to do. Go up on rocky trails, bumpy trails, you know, you kind of putt, you kind of go a little slower. That's also really fun too, but out here, you just pedal the metal, hold on. But it's just this is where I grew up. This is what I love to do, what I love to enjoy. I do work very hard. I work a lot of hours, and so to be able to get out and kind of forget about the city even just for a day, is worth it to me.
Little Sahara is a popular destination, which can get pretty crowded on holiday weekends. So make sure to plan your trip accordingly.
If it's earlier in the year, later in the year, it's going to be a little slower like this, or dead middle of summer when it's too hot, no one wants to be out here. So, but if you come out here for a Saturday night or Monday to Sunday and on just an ordinary weekend, you're going to be okay.
You know, you get out here on the weekends, it can be a little crazy, but that's okay. You can get as crazy as you want, or you get right in the mix, or you can stay down in in the other areas where there's not as many people and enjoy your time.
With absolutely stunning views, a variety of riding opportunities, and several campgrounds, this area is the perfect place to bring your family together and create cherished lifelong memories.
I just think being out and being able to enjoy, being out with your friends, with your family, being out here at a place like, the sand dunes, have your toys, just camp, have a good time. It's just a ton of fun.
That I've been camping since I was a young toddler, just a little boy. I've camped every weekend nearly my life, and I don't think I've had one bad camping trip. You see, camping's a really good lifestyle. It's something that you can start from such a young age and learn so much of, and you enjoy every day with your family. And here in Utah especially, we have every place you can imagine to go camping, and you get out here and you're on your own and living the fun life, and so many different ways to do this. It's just unbelievably fun.
Next time you're planning the perfect getaway, make sure you keep Little Sahara Recreation Area in mind. For At Your Leisure, I'm Jim Kelly.